Nissan's Ariya enters 2026 at an interesting moment. The model expanded to new markets in 2025, including a confirmed September launch in Australia, and Nissan has been tweaking pricing and configurations globally to sharpen the value equation. US-specific 2026 details aren't fully published yet, but the current blueprint, a sleek, quiet, Turo electric crossover, remains intact, with over-the-air update capability continuing to polish features post-purchase. If you are cross-shopping late 2025, early 2026 inventory, you will see dealers quoting specs and trims similar to the 2025 US model, while official 2026 information trickles out. Powertrains carry forward. Single-motor FWD or dual-motor E4 ORC AWD, paired to 63 or 87 kWh. Usable battery packs. The 2025 US lineup tops out at an EPA estimated up to 289 miles of range. Evolve Plus FWD 87 kWh, a useful yardstick for 2026 shoppers until EPA files new stickers. Performance on dual-motor trims is brisk and confident, and E4 ORCE's front-rear torque modulation gives the Ariya a planted feel in bad weather. Cabin quietness and ride isolation remain Ariya strengths. Pricing is in flux depending on market and trims. In the US, 2025 MSRPs span roughly the low $40Ks to mid $50Ks depending on battery and drive layout. Third-party previews suggest 2026 may align closely unless Nissan introduces a new entry configuration. In some regions, Nissan has already adjusted prices notably to stay competitive, so check local dealer sheets as 2026 cars arrive. For Australia, the 2025-2026 rollout starts around 55,840 Australian dollars before on-roads, scaling to over 70,000 Australian dollars depending on spec. US shoppers should watch for federal state incentives and evolving eligibility. Inside, the Ariya feels airy and modern. Flat floor, sliding center console, minimalist dash with twin 12.3-inch displays, and attractive materials that read upscale for the price. Exterior design is cohesive rather than shouty, and it has aged well since launch. Tech highlights include ProPILOT Assist, OTA software updates, and robust app connectivity. For 2026, expect incremental software and feature improvements rather than a ground-up redo. Rivals include the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6 EV5, market-dependent, Volkswagen ID.4, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Subaru Solterra, Toyota BZ4X, and Chevrolet Equinox EV. Ariya's differentiators are its comfort, quietness, user-friendly tech, and available big battery FWD efficiency. If you want AWD punch, the dual-motor E4 ORCE trims scratch that itch. If range per dollar is the priority, target the long-range FWD variants. US 2026 availability should begin late 2025 into early 2026 depending on region and inventory.